Hey guys, in today's video I will be doing a review on this Upart wig from Niawigs. So if you guys would like to see more about this wig, then keep on watching. I got this wig sent from Niawigs and the packaging is amazing. Behind it says Discover Beauty, and then you slide that up and then it's more packaging, and then it has that quote, "We live only to discover beauty," and then that slides out to the side. So cute. And inside they give you like a detangler brush. So pretty. Like, I was in love with this. Like, girl. It got blue in it, my favorite color. And then it's the wig in that silk bag. Like, I was just so in love with the packaging. It had the logo in front and then the same like slogan in the back. And inside is your wig. It comes in a plastic bag, and at the end of the plastic bag it has your deets. So this is a Upart wig, medium wig cap, 16 inches, and it's a jet black number 1. So this is how the wig looks straight out of the packaging. I'm just gonna run the detangler brush through it, and it just is so nice and full. That was my first initial thoughts, and it smells so good. Like, it's so good. So this is how a Upart wig looks. It comes with 5 clips, adjustable straps, then it has that 1 comb in the back, and then there's 2 combs on the side. So this is how a Upart wig is supposed to look. In that area where the U is, you would leave some hair out. So if you want to have a smaller part, you just have to make it longer. So yeah, I recently dyed my hair black, so that black was a good match. So now I'm just gonna create my part. This part does not have to be perfect, y'all, like at all. Just create your part to how you want your wig to lay. So if you want to leave out less hair, then you would have to have a longer part. So now I'm just going to divide my hair into 2 sections and braid it down just so I can tie it up behind the wig. If you want a more secure way, then you can create a braid down the perimeter of your head and all around the part itself that you created. So that way your combs will have something to hang on to. Just don't make the braids too thick, otherwise the combs won't snap close on the braids. So if you're going to do that, make sure the braids are thin and they're small. So after I'm done braiding this down, I'm just going to take these bobby pins and put one across my head and pin it up, and put the other the opposite way and then pin it up. So that's how that looks. So now we're just gonna start installing the wig, which is just literally just snapping the clips on. And it's super easy, super convenient. You don't gotta worry about no closure or lace. This is the old school way. I used to wear Upart wigs all the time because they were so easy. And then I just got tired of my leave out getting frizzy in humidity. But yeah, I'm just putting the comb in the back and the ones on the side, just adjusting them and fixing them right. Now I'm just gonna brush my hair. As you can see already, without styling, my hair just blended so seamlessly into the wig. And they made it to where when it pulls back, like if the wind blows or something, like you won't be able to see. Even if you don't have hair out, it won't be like obvious. So it looks so good. Now I'm just gonna take my flat iron And it's just a Revlon flat iron. I think it's about 2 inches or an inch and a half. I'm not sure how these things go. I think it's an inch and a half or 2 inches. And I'm just gonna use that to curl my hair and see how this hair takes heat. So yeah, if you always wanted to know how to do that little swoop in the front, there you go. You just turn the flat iron to the side, but not really all the way. So now I'm just gonna throw in some cute loose curls, and then we're gonna get this party started. One thing I can say though, when I was straightening this hair, it was already soft, but the heat made it softer. Like, I loved it. And it curled so easily. And then I'm using this on temperature 420, I believe. If I don't say it now, I'll say it later. But yeah, it's definitely 420. While I'm curling my hair real quick, I just want to let you guys know that Niawigs did give us a coupon code to use for some money off. So if you use the code Ashley15, Ashley15, then you'll get some money off on your purchase. So I will leave it in the description below, and I'll also put it on the screen so you guys can see it and use it. So once I'm done curling my hair, what I like to do is just grab it, like a hold of it, and like separate it by just like pulling it apart. It's like shaking it is the motion. Shake your hair, pull it and shake it a little, and then you'll get that. And this is the final look. This wig was so easy to install. The hair is so pretty. Just look at how it bounces after I've curled it. It was soft out the packaging and even softer when I straightened it, curled it, put heat to it, and I did use the heat 420 again. And I'm just gonna brush through it because I like brushed out curls, and it's just so pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Niawigs, for this bomb wig. And I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next one.